Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we have listed the top 6 of the best portable grills in 2022 to help you find the right one for your needs and budget. So, let's get started. This Weber Q1200 is our top choice for efficiently and effectively cooking meals while on the go. Setting this tabletop is very easy, as you can press the reliable electric starter and quickly preheat it. And featuring a heavy-duty construction will facilitate the use of this grill in both the porcelain-enameled cast iron cooking grates and the cast aluminum body. Offering an easy-to-read integrated thermometer helps you accurately track temperature, and for further convenience, you can even fold out side tables to get plenty of space for your barbecue tools. While its weight and a lack of a latching lid will make it an ideal companion for road tripping and car camping. So in all, this Weber Q1200 is durable, efficient, requires only minimal care, and can withstand the heat needed to grill at any temperature. And in addition, the shape of the cookbox, when combined with the shroud, will allow for the proper circulation of heat around food for even cooking. This NOMADIQ is a propane gas grill that is compact, easily portable, and comes with an ample grill space to cook for up to 4 people at a time. It isn't overly feature-ish, but it has got everything you need. It has dual burners that pump out about 10,000 BTUs in total, and its burners can operate independently, so you can turn on one side of the grill if you're cooking for a small group, or you can set each side to its own temperature, which is really handy. Moving on to its tank, its propane tank is connected to the grill with a dual hose to both sides of the grill, and you can operate it by a convenient electric push-to-start ignition switch, which can be easily accessible and works great every time. Coming to its design, unlike other portable grills that are designed to look like full-size grills, this grill is specifically designed for traveling purposes. It can fold up vertically, minimizing its footprint and letting you fit it in a fully packed car comfortably. Made for heavy steel construction with a powder-coated finish, you can never go wrong with its durability, and its inclusion of stainless steel burners and cast iron grill plates makes this NOMADIQ grill able to withstand your most adventurous outdoor activities. Constructed by flame-resistant, silicone-coated fiberglass fabric, this GoBQ grill can roll up and fit in a backpack or over your shoulder with the included carrying straps. Weighing only 9.5 pounds, transporting and storing this portable grill is a breeze. And utilizing this fabric will also let it cool down twice as quickly as metal, so you can pack it away soon after the flames have died out. For setting up, you can take it out, unfold, and set it up in under 20 seconds with no tools required. And its included top and side handles are very well placed and are exceptionally well built to keep you in control of the grill, even when the temperature starts to rise. Despite its compact size, this GoBQ grill can cook more than enough food for several people, so it can be enough to cover your entire family. And once you're done, it can be easily cleaned up and folded back down again so you can swiftly continue on your way. This Cuisinart is a petite gourmet gas grill that is portable, lightweight, and easy to carry with just one hand. Featuring 5,500 BTUs, it isn't incredibly powerful, but it does grill evenly and efficiently. And for controlling, you can twist the start electric ignition and precision temperature gauge to get the ultimate temperature control you need. Its 160 square inches of porcelain-enameled grates are great, providing a spacious cooking surface that can accommodate lots of food at once, while still distributing heat evenly and efficiently. And featuring an integrated lid lock and pronounced briefcase-style carrying handle, it will offer for easy and secure transport, while utilizing a drip tray can collect grease and drippings for easy cleanup. This Coleman RoadTrip 285 is a propane grill that is perfect when you're away from home and need to cook for a crowd. It's incredibly portable, easy to use, and quick to set up and disassemble. It has good temperature control for its size, and featuring 3 adjustable burners, it is capable of delivering up to 20,000 BTUs. And these burners also have enhanced temperature control, allowing for more precise heating. It has an extensive cooking surface for a portable grill with 3 independently adjustable temperature zones. And for additional cooking and meal options, you can easily swap your cast iron grill grates with stove grates or griddles, which can additionally spice up your cookouts, adding more dishes to the plate. The most impressive feature of this propane grill is its portability. Just like a carry-on suitcase, once folded up, This grill can be rolled to wherever you want to go using the 2 large wheels and built-in handle. While utilizing its integrated thermometer in the lid will help you to keep track of the internal temperature. Lastly, we have the Weber Q2400. This Weber Q2400 is the new and updated version of the old Weber Q240. This update has included a larger grip handle, control knobs, new ergonomic handles at each side, and sturdy cradles for the front and rear. By design, it has a compact design with durable, high-quality materials, and weighing only 42 pounds, this grill is easy to move around with ergonomic side handles, so you can take it along as long as there is an electrical source for power. With cast aluminum lid and body, they are easy to clean and can retain heat as well. And featuring a glass-reinforced nylon frame, this grill has a sleek look that's very sturdy, while its porcelain-enameled grates and removable catch pan make it easy to clean and maintain. Its interior will provide you with a 280 square inches of cook space, allowing enough space for about 10 to 12 burgers or chicken breasts. And instead of a built-in thermometer, it houses an infinite heat control settings for easy adjustment and efficiently controlling the grill's temperature level. The simple design of the Weber Q2400 will make it very easy to use, even for the beginner griller. And featuring a power cord of 6 feet grounded cord means there's plenty of length for stretching to reach an outlet. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.